Hello friends, welcome to Thursday's video. So, you may have seen quite a while ago, I made a phone holder that had a cute little geometric unicorn on it, and that mold set came with a teddy bear. Yes, teddy bear. English is definitely my first language. A teddy bear mold as well, and it's also, as you can kind of see, geometric shaped. So, for one of my housemates' daughters, I had asked them quite a while ago, I hope they're not mad at me, which animal they wanted, what color they wanted. So one of them said that she would like the teddy bear and she wants it in brown. So she has chosen the color coffee. So I'm going to dust coffee into the bear as well as this little thing, the little stopper thing that you put on there. This is not the mold, the base mold that comes with it. The one that comes with it is actually quite a bit smaller, and she said that she wanted something a lot bigger for her tablet to sit on. So I am, of course, obliging. I also need to run some tape over this because this thing is, whew, got some glitter on it. Anyway, super simple. For this is the little cloud that the bear and unicorn sit on, I think. Well, now I'm second guessing myself. Does the bear fit on this one? I don't know. I'm going to have to look it up on Amazon to see. But if it does require the cloud, then I will be dusting this with like a pearlescent white. And I will probably also be dusting this with a pearlescent white. So yeah, that's the plan for today. Super simple. It's been so long since I played with these little molds. And I hadn't even poured the bear one before, so I wanted to give it a try and see how it looks. I really love the way that the unicorn looked, so we're going to give the bear a try this time. Apologies that you're going to be looking up his butthole for the entirety of the video, but there you go. Alright, let's get our resin warmed up. Let's get dusting. Let's get started. Okay, quick correction. I just looked it up on Amazon. The teddy bear does not require the cloud, so we'll pick that up later. It's bonus unmolding time. Yeah. Bonus unmolding. Okay, so I had some red left over from the skull that I did last week. So I had poured it into here and it didn't fill it up all the way, which I was actually counting on. I wanted to see what this would kind of look like if I added the black to it. It's actually kind of cool looking. It's kind of interesting. I might try to do something like that. You know, kind of purposeful. Maybe next week. Yeah, let's save that for next week. I've got an idea swirling. And hopefully it'll look cool. So, there's that coaster. And then I did another one of these beautiful roses. Again, this is a matte mold. But it's still very, very pretty. My camera will focus. So you've got the rose, you've got some leaves, and you've got this cute little rosebud on this side. So yeah, I might do a maybe a YouTube short and put it on TikTok as well, where I gloss this up with a top coat of resin. So anyway, those are today's very different bonus unmoldings. All right, friends. I'm excited to see how this turned out. I've got my E6000 ready. And I'm also going to grab my knife, because you need to scuff up the resin a little bit where you're going to attach it, if words will not stop escaping me. So yeah, so I poured all 3 of these, and I dusted 2 of them, and then left the 3rd one just plain black. And I did all 3 just in case one of them had like a bubble in the tip. This one does not. It came out perfect. So there's the black one. And these are the dusted ones. Okay, so that one did have a little bit of a bubble. That brown also turned out kind of, I don't know, like a bluish color. I can't really tell. Like, I feel like the blue of the base is kind of hindering it. That one also has a little bubble. So I think for this one, I'm going to go with the black tip for this. And like I said, she wanted this. Oh, I guess I should show you guys this. This is what that white did, but it's got a blue pigment to it. I was expecting it to be a lot more white than it is, but that's okay. I'm not mad at it. But because she wants this for a tablet, I'm going to put this little piece like that. So this is like a longer way. Okay, now let's see how the teddy bear turned out. I'm so excited. It's not difficult to demold. It's just a little awkward because of all of the sharp angles. Just getting a grip on it. All right. Got it. Get this back in order. And there he is. Oh, he's very, very cute. Very cute. Yeah, I like him a lot. And I did a really good job, actually, of dusting. I was worried that I was going to miss some spots in the ears and the snout. But, yeah, he looks great. Okay. So, like I said, I want to kind of score the resin on the bottom. And luckily this is not like chalkboard. So it's not going to have that horrible scratching sound like nails on a chalkboard have. And I'm just doing this so that, like I said, so that the resin has, or the E6000 has something to attach to grip onto. Okay, so I've got my scratch marks there and here. And I'm going to do the same for this. Just be careful that you don't cut yourself. Let me get him back into place real quick. And see where I want this. Yeah, right there. Okay. All right. So E6000, extremely strong. It does take a while to dry. So definitely don't try to manhandle this directly after attaching. The only thing that I hate about E6000 is how the lid can sometimes get stuck on it. Okay. So I'm going to add some to the bottom of my teddy. And I want enough to attach it, but not enough to squeeze out from under it. Okay. And that's the other thing about E6000, is that once it starts, it doesn't really stop. And it's only really touching right there in the center, so I'm going to add a little bit more to the little feet. Okay, let me grab, I'm going to try and stretch this out a bit. There we go, so it'll stop shooting out of the top. I'm going to clean this off so that way it doesn't, the lid doesn't stick to the tube. All right, and so, yeah. That's what she looks like. It's very, very cute. Like I said, it does take a while for this to dry. One other thing that I would suggest, if you wanted to kind of handle it, not roughly, but handle it just after using the E6000, is to do some hot glue under there as well. And that will give you the instant hold while the E6000 does the rest. You can also use UV resin around the edges of things to hold it there as well. But that is today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I really, really like this teddy bear. I'm not sure which one I like more, the teddy bear or the unicorn. I'm not quite sure. I'll have to give that a little bit of thought. If you've seen the unicorn video, let me know which one you prefer, the teddy bear or the unicorn. Comment it down below. Thank you guys so very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. Really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Again, I thank you so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.
giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.